A lot of times you'll need a loop, and one of the best knots for this is a bowline. It's good because it retains most of the strength, the original strength of the rope. You'll retain 90% of a rope's breaking strength, whereas if you use a half hitch, you'll have to devalue the strength of your rope by 50%. So it's a pretty simple knot, and it's relatively easy to take apart, which is one of the values of tying good knots. But it takes a little getting used to in terms of the method for making it. So just as the square knot has right over left, left over right, as it's sort of saying, the bowline has the rabbit comes out of its hole, around the tree, and back into the hole, as it's saying. So let's show that one more time. You'll make a loop with the tree, the standing line, at the back of the hole. And then you'll come up through the hole, around the tree, and back into the hole. Grab a hold of your standing line and pull that knot tight. Now there's a better illustration of this in the 7 Knots for Theater, and there's a great website called animatedknots.com. You really got to go to animatedknots.com and practice these things.
Mm-hmm. There's an app too, said the man behind the camera.
Yes, thank you, Corey. Now, what this can be really useful for is when you need to take a lighting fixture up to the grid. That was elegant. And then
It's okay, I missed half of it.
you just run a loop underneath the C-clamp and the yoke, and then this lighting fixture is ready to haul to the grid.